Hello friends, how are you? This is Shyam. Welcome to our channel Career Alerts. Friends, some of our subscribers from North India, so they're requesting me to give the notifications in English. So for that sake, I'm giving this notification in English. So please cooperate, and for any grammatical mistakes, please excuse me. Okay friends, so let's get started. So this notification exclusively from the Heterodux Limited. So actually this notification directly came to our Career Alert job mail. So this notification is for exclusively the candidates who are finished BSc Chemistry freshers. So who passed out in the year of 2017, 18, 19, 20. So they are all eligible for the production department under the Hetero Laboratories. Okay friends, interested candidates, they can mail their resume updated to praveen.kevo@heterodux.com. Okay friends, so each and everyone who have finished BSc with chemistry, so he can undergo to this notification. So here are the benefits mainly. So they will give attractive salary and allowances and PF, ESI and insurances. So they give yearly increment and bonus, production allowances, night shift allowances, attendance allowances, subsidized canteen, and they provide transportation also. So this job location is exclusively in Hyderabad. So for any assistance, you can contact this number. So in these timings. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. Friends, this notification came from Archem SMS Life Sciences. Okay, so actually this job location, I think it is in Somanhalli, which is in Karnataka, but they are conducting the interviews in Hyderabad only. Okay, so you can see here the interview date is 9th and 10th February. So from the 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, the venue is SMS Life Sciences India Limited, Unit 1, Survey number 180/2, Kajipalli Village, Jannaram Mandal, Sangareddy District. Okay friends, here, so they are recruiting for the experienced candidates in the production department, quality assurance, admins and our HRDs and maintenance department. Friends, so here the qualifications are required is BSc, MSc Chemistry in any graduation or diploma, so in production department. For the quality assurance, so their qualification should be MSc, so having QC background is a plus for them. So for the admins or HRD, so having 1 to 2 years experience, any graduation, preferably in pharmaceutical or chemical industry. Okay friends, so for the maintenance department also they are recruiting. So for that post, the qualification should be ITI fitters. They should have experience of 1 to 2 years. Okay friends, so any interested candidates, so they can forward their resume to hr@archem.co.in. So here the interview location is only Hyderabad, Sangareddy District. Okay friends, so for any assistance, so you can contact these phone numbers also. Okay, let's go to another notification. Here it is the another notification from NAPOD Group. So here, so they are giving one notification. So we are hiring open positions in account manager, so CA, business development manager pellets, and assistant manager regulatory affairs and SCM executive. So for these positions, so they have given this notification here. So if any interested candidates interested to do the job in this company, so they can forward their resume to ashish.kadam@napodgroup.com. Okay friends, so this is all about this notification. Let's go to another notification. Friends, this notification is from the Sun Pharma. So you know Sun Pharma is a very famous company. So urgent openings at Sun Pharma for Dadra plant near Vapi. Friends, the job location is in Gujarat. Okay. So if you see the departments and various positions, so production department in packing OST. So for these positions, so they are asking these openings. Qualification should be M.Pharm and B.Pharm. Here experience should be 6 to 8 years or so. For the production packing department, so in the cadre of officers, so minimum experience should be 3 to 5 years. So these are the desired profiles. So you can see here in this notification. So all interested candidates can mail their updated resume so to this mail kayur.butt@sunpharma.com. Okay friends, let's go to another notification. Friends, this notification is from Sequent Research Limited. Friends, the job location is in Mangalore. So for the candidates who are residing around Mangalore, so this is the one good opportunity, I think. So they are looking for assistant managers HR department. Okay, so some of our subscribers who have finished their MBA, so they are asking me for the vacancies of vacancies under the MBA. So here, so MSW or MBA HR, so experience, but here the experience should be 5 to 8 years. I will also update for the vacancies for the freshers in MBA also, okay, in the later video. Okay, so here human resource, so in this the role and the responsibilities are like this. So in administration department and human resource department, okay, so you can contact for any assistance to Kapil, so Jintarkar. So this is the phone number. You can forward your resume to this email address. Okay friends, any interested candidates can forward their resumes to this address. Okay friends, let's go to another notification. So it is from the Cipla, so which is a good MNC company. So they are giving in walk-in interviews at Indore. Okay, here the date of the interview is 14th February. Friends, the job location is exclusively Madhya Pradesh, Indore. Okay friends. Okay, so what is the job description or eligibility criteria? So they are giving these vacancies for the quality control officers. So the experience should be 1 to 6 years. Okay, the venue is, so the Red Maple Marshall, Jumar Ghat, so Rasalpura, Rao, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Okay friends, any interested candidates can forward their resume to this address hr.indore@cipla.com. The timing is 9:30 am to 3:30 pm on the 14th February. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. So it is from Amneal Pharma Company. So this is also it is from the Abad, so which is a Palli plant. So for their Palli plant, so they given this notification. So the walk-in interviews are also on the 14th February. Okay, so for these positions, so they are giving this notification: sterile manufacturing, vial and bag line. So positions for the officer executives. So total 35 positions. Operators 15 positions. Qualification should be M.Pharm, B.Pharm, MSc, BSc, diploma or ITI, but they should have minimum experience of 2 years to 7 years friends. Okay, so this is the area. So any interested candidates can forward their resume to this email address. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. So this notification is from Annora Labs. Friends, so the job location for this notification is Jinnaram Mandal, and the interview venue is, so Annaram Village, Jinnaram Mandal, District, Telangana. Okay friends, the notification details are Quality Control Department, Production Department and Analytical Development Department. So here they are recruiting 2 to 7 years experienced persons in QC. So 2 to 7 years experienced persons for Production Department also, and 2 to 5 years experienced persons for Analytical Development Department. So the qualification is MSc, B Pharma, M Pharma. So these are all the details. Okay, interested candidates can directly attend to the interview, so at this venue on the 11th February, that is Thursday. Okay friends, let's go to another notification. Friends, this notification is Aurobindo. So the job location is exclusively in the unit 11th of Aurobindo company. So it is in Vijayanagaram. Okay friends, so they are recruiting for the positions under the Department of Quality Control. So positions is, so staff and executives. So area of exposure is API, Pharma, HPLC and gas chromatography, instruments handling. So qualification required is MSc. Okay friends, so anyone who have the minimum experience of 3 years to 6 years, so they can attend the interview. So before attending the interview, so you should forward your resume to pavan.veturi@aurobindo.com. so you can see the job description here. Okay friends, so let's go to the another notification. Friends, this notification is from MacLeods. So they are conducting walk-in interviews at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So on the Friday and Saturday of this February, that means 11th, 12th and 30th of February. Okay friends, the departments are manufacturing, formulation department, QC department and QA department. So they are taking these openings for the locations of Sikkim location, Baddi and Oxalis location, Daman and Baddi location or Daman location. Okay, qualification should be M.Pharm, ITI diploma or MSc. So these are the experiences they are asking. So you can see the notification here clearly. So any interested candidates, so they can forward their resume so to this email address, and for any assistance, so you can contact these phone numbers. Okay, the job location should be, I think, in Indore. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. So this notification is from another reputed company, that is Lupin. So here the interview location should be Vapi, Gujarat. Okay friends, so an innovation led so this company is a facility at Ankleshwar, Gujarat. So they are asking this notification for junior officers or officers in the production department. So fellows who have experience, minimum 2 to 6 years experience, so they should be diploma chemical or BSc chemistry or MSc chemistry. So they can apply this notification, and the candidate must have so all these terms and conditions, and they should have so scored 60% in their highest qualification if having less than 5 years of post qualification experience. Okay friends, here so they also mentioned that freshers need not attend the interview. So this notification is exclusively for experienced persons only. Okay, interview date is on 30th February on the Saturday. Interview time is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay friends, interview venue is Hotel Silverleaf, plot number this. So Raghuveer Complex opposite Vapi Industrial Association Ground, GIDC Vapi, that is in Gujarat. Okay friends, let's go to another notification. So this is from the GK Healthcare pharma company. So is a fastest growing company in so cephalosporin antibiotic segment. So they are asking various positions in Department of Production, Quality Control, Machine Operators and Business Development Managers also. Okay friends, and the required qualifications are B Pharm, M Pharm, BSc, MSc. So minimum 10th class also they can attend to interview for the machine operator posts. So and for the Business Development Manager, so they're asking B Pharm, M Pharm and MBA also. But here, so experience is required here for all these posts. So minimum 3 years experience and minimum 3 to 5 years experience, and also minimum 5 to 7 years experience of African countries. Okay friends, so these are the designations and these are the skills required by the company. Okay, so any interested candidates, so they can update their CV and forward to gkhealthcare2018@gmail.com. So candidates willing to relocate at so Hingangad district, Wardha, it is in Maharashtra. Okay friends, let's go to another notification. So this notification is from Intas Pharma. So they are inviting the applications for virtual interview. So you need not to go to their factory. So they will conduct the interviews only virtual. That means you can attend the interview on your laptop or mobile phone if they select your profile. Okay. So they are hiring for packing department, Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited. So it is the job location is says Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay friends, departments, so packing tablet department, they are asking for the positions of officers, senior officer, executives and technicians. So these skills are required, and the education experience should be B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy. So here diploma, ITA, BSc, so they are also eligible with 2 to 10 years experience they should have to work in Intas Pharma. Okay friends, so candidates may apply on so this email address on or before 15th February with the subject line. So you should specify the subject line while you forwarding your resume. So that is, you should write packing CV at the subject column. Okay friends, shortlisted candidates will receive first call from HR for their interview scheduling. Okay, virtual telephonic interview schedule is on 20th, 23rd and 25th of February 2021. Okay friends, minimum 2 years of pharmaceutical experience in required, and freshers need not to apply. Friends, this notification is also exclusively for only experienced candidates. Okay, selected candidates have to visit our plant located. Friends, only after selection, if you have selected by virtually on the interview, then only so you have to visit them, you have to join in the for the final process of offer. Okay friends, so these are the notification, and the final notification in this video is, so if you have experience in a pharma company, so share your resume, share your application. So this is from the one Sanad location company. So it's from a pharma company, so which is in Gujarat location. So any candidates so who are nearby to this location, they can, so if they want to work in a QA and QC, so they can forward their resume to this address. Okay friends, so these are all notifications so that we cover in this video. So thank you for watching Career Alerts. I hope you understand my language. Excuse me for any grammatical mistakes. Thank you for watching Career Alerts. Jai Hind.